Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. API key, seller ID, and app secret must be current. Then, form the first request. Set timestamp and essential headers like content type and authorization. Use accept as needed. Once done, route the call to Flipkart sandbox or test environment so you don't affect live orders. Capture the failing request with one debugging tool, for example Postman or curl, and save the raw request and response. This gives you a reproducible baseline to analyze. You now dig into the request body and headers to find mismatches. Validate the JSON against the documented schema. Check required fields, data types, and nested object shapes. Make sure dates use ISO 8601 and numbers use dot decimals. Next, confirm the endpoint path and HTTP method match the API docs and that query parameters are URL encoded. Once fixed, resend the request and compare status codes and response bodies. Repeat until the response. Finish by verifying authentication. If tokens fail, rotate credentials and ensure scopes and expiry times are correct. Then, watch rate limit headers. Implement exponential backoff for 429 responses so you don't get throttled. Also validate SSL/TLS, DNS, and proxy settings if requests timeout. Before deploying, log the full request and response and add assertion tests to catch regressions. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Reproduce the exact failing request in a clean environment and compare headers byte for byte to the docs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.